Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the tannins, its definition, classification, properties and identification test. So the first one, definition. These are complex, organic, non-nitrogenous, polyphenolic substance of higher molecular weight. These are yellowish or brownish, beta testing, found in galls, barks, seeds, wood, leaves, and fruits skin of some plants, consisting of derivatives of gallic acid. Right. So the second one, classification. It is basically classified in three categories: hydrolyzable tannin, condensed tannins, and pseudotannins. First one, hydrolyzable tannins. These tannins are hydrolyzed by acids or enzyme and produce gallic acid and ellagic acid. Chemically, these are esters of phenolic acid like gallic acid and ellagic acids. So examples of gallic acids, examples are rhubarb, clove. Ellagic acids, examples eucalyptus leaves, myrobalan fruits, and pomegranate bark. Coming to the second one, condensed tannins. These tannins are resistant to hydrolysis and they derived from the flavonols, catechins, and flavin 3,4 diols. On the treatment with acids or enzymes, they are decomposed into the flobafans, that is reddish phenolic substance. Actually, flobafans are the bark dye. On dry distillation, condensed tannins produce catechol. These tannins are called as catechol tannins. The different sources are cinchona bark, male fern, erica seeds, tea leaves, wild cherry bark, bera fruits, and amla. Coming to the third one, pseudotannins. They are phenolic compounds of lower molecular weight and don't show the Goldbeater's test. Actually, Goldbeater test is the identification test for the tannin, but pseudotannins don't show positive. The first one, catechin. The sources are catechu, coca. Second one, ipecacuanhic acid. Source are ipecacuana. Third one, chlorogenic acid. Sources are coffee and nux vomica. Coming to the third one, properties of tannins. These are dark brown to reddish brown in color, non-crystalline. Tannins are freely soluble in water, alcohol, glycerol, and acetone, and also dilute alkalis. They are sparingly soluble in chloroform, ethyl acetate, and other organic solvents. They have astringent taste. Tannins have molecular weight ranging from 500 to 3000, like gallic acid esters, and up to 20,000, like proanthocyanidins. Tannins binds to and precipitate proteins and various other organic compounds including amino acids and alkaloids. Coming to the next one, identification test of tannin. There are 6 tests. The first one, gelatin test. Tannin solution plus aqueous solution of gelatin plus sodium chloride NaCl. It gives white buff colored precipitate. Second one, gold beater's skin test. A small piece of gold beater skin. Actually, gold beater skin is nothing but membrane prepared from the intestine of ox. With the piece of gold beater skin, it is soaked in 20% of hydrochloric acid HCl and rinsed with distilled water and placed in solution of tannin for 5 minutes. The skin piece is washed with distilled water and kept in the solution of ferrous sulfate. It gives brown or black color on skin. That is the positive indication for the gold beater skin test. Third one, phenazone test. Aqueous extract. Sodium acid phosphate is heated, then cooled, then filtered. Unfiltered phenazone solution added. It gives bulky colored precipitate. Fourth one, matchstick test. It is also known as catechin test. Matchstick is dipped in aqueous plant extract and dried near burner and moistened with HCl. On warming near flame, matchstick wood turns pink or red due to the formation of fluoroglycanol. The fifth one, chlorogenic acid test. Sample plus aqueous ammonia, it gives green color. The sixth one, vanillin hydrochloride test. Take the samples and add vanillin hydrochloride reagent. It gives pink to red color. So these are the 6 identification tests. So here we discussed about the definition of tannin, different classification, properties and identification test of tannins. Further you need to refer the book for the deep knowledge. Thank you.